we really like thinking about the democratization of data. And so what I mean by that is making data accessible to all. So you don't have to be a STEM undergrad. You don't have to have a background in math or science-based program. You can be a history major or an English major or communications major and still be successful in our programs because we offer opportunities like an analytics bridge program for students to kind of do a brush up on things like calculus, R, Python, just as a few examples prior to coming to campus. So that way they can, well, we like to say, hit the ground running and just start right when they come to campus.
I actually have my undergrad degree in fashion technology and I studied in NIFT. I am from a creative industry and I want to get a business perspective as well as a tech perspective. So I want to do a master's, which was data driven, honestly. So me applying to UMD, the biggest part that spoke to me was the course. It was a well blend of tech, but at the same time, it was a core marketing strategy too. So when we do the tech part of it also, they start right from scratch. It doesn't mean that we have to come from a technical background. Honestly, you're taught R, you're taught Python, SQL, everything right from the scratch, and they build up all your skills during the course of the semesters. And I couldn't be happier with my choice.